Okay, now I apologize for the quality of the video or it holding still, but I don't typically make videos, and there's an airplane going over, of course. Okay, now most of us are fairly familiar with this type of an oil pump. It comes off of a 6.0 or 5.3, usually an LS engine or a Vortec engine, but it's completely different. First thing that we notice is, the only thing I can find on is made in Canada and whatever the heck that is there, but there's no part number on the housing anywhere. The only number is a dot matrix stamped number right across here, and it's not even the number that GM goes by. GM calls it a 12625823. Now, on the inside of most of these pumps, what most of us expect to see is a large toothed gear and a ring that is offset to one side, so it causes displacement and pushes the oil through the pump as it spins. This is for the hybrid version, and it is completely different. Now, of course, hold on, okay, the magic of pausing. Had to loosen all these T30 bolts on the front cover, but when you open this up, what you find is that. Of course, there goes the dog. Okay, there is some light to moderate wear on the front housing, but inside you'll see this has got a ring on the top. There's another one just like it on the bottom. These hold all these tiny fins into place, and this entire middle section here can move back and forth to change the displacement of the oil. So it is a variable displacement vane type oil pump, but it's not the same as the 2010 and later, which is controlled by a solenoid with a pigtail coming out from the front of the oil pump to go through the front of the timing cover. I don't know if that shows that wear a little bit better. I'm sure there is wear on these little fins, but overall it looks pretty good. I just don't like the idea of putting a used pump back in it. But this is the pump I've been looking for. Any suggestions from anyone would be greatly appreciated.